Hello AP US History students that were gone today. We had some technical difficulties with the live video, so I'm going to give you the review here right now. The test will be next Tuesday. It'll be 80 points. There'll be 30 answers from short answer questions and 10 true or false questions. So here are the short answer questions you'll need to look up the answers to. Who was the Englishman who sailed for the Dutch East India Company, whose exploration began the settling of America by the Netherlands? Next question. Once aware of the possibilities in America, what did the Dutch West India Company do? Next question. What was the name of the first Dutch settlement in America, now known as New York City? Fourth question. What were huge land grants offered by the Dutch West India Company to its members referred to as? 5. What were the members of the Dutch West India Company who accepted these large land grants called? 6. What did these members who accepted the large land grants required to do to receive the offer by the Dutch West India Company? Number 7, why were people from the Netherlands not very eager to settle on these large land grants in America? Number 8, as a result of lack of interest on the part of the people from the Netherlands to settle these large land grant areas, what resulted in the northern part of the Middle Colonies? Number 9, what area of the Middle Colonies did Lady Deborah Moody finally settle at? Number 10, other than the Hudson River Valley, name one other important river valley that the Dutch controlled in the northern Middle Colonies. Number 11, who did the Dutch have to establish a friendly relation with, who did the Dutch have to establish a friendly relationship with to be able to trade freely on the Hudson River? And make sure you can spell that Indian tribe correctly. Number 12 and 13, by 1643, English colonies began to fear what two things concerning the new Dutch colonies in America? Number 14, what was the name of the united stand that combined military forces between Massachusetts, Plymouth, Connecticut, and New Haven called? Number 15, how many casualties did the Dutch suffer during their standoff with the English Navy in the Hudson River? Number 16 and 17, who did King Charles II give the former New Netherlands to when the Dutch fled America in 1664? And what was that person's relationship with King Charles II? 18 and 19, that person that King Charles gave that land to turned around and gave New Jersey to which two of his friends? 21, who was the man who replaced the ousted King James II as King of England? And name one thing that that new king did as far as restoring something in the colonies after taking over the reins in England. Number 23, what was the official name of those who followed Quaker beliefs in England in 1667? Number 24, what exactly was the biggest part of the inheritance that William Penn received from his father upon his death? 25 and 26, what was William Penn's two-part offer to the people of Europe to attract new settlers to Pennsylvania and Delaware? And then be able to name 4 of the 6 types of Europeans that took William Penn up on his offer to move to America. And you're going to need, for example, to say Quakers from England, Wales, and Ireland. Or you're going to need to say Swiss and German Protestants. Or Jews from Europe, or Catholics from all over Europe, or slaves from Africa. Those are some examples. You'll need to know at least 4. You should know where the people came from that established the first settlements in the Middle Colonies. You need to know the definition of a stipend. You need to know what Lady Deborah Moody's philosophy was of Indian land. You need to know about the Hudson River and its advantages for the colonists that lived there. You need to know about the makeup of New Jersey in 1644 when it was first discovered. You need to know what happened to New Jersey after failed attempts to settle it with several different owners involved. You need to know 2 reasons why James, the Duke of York, who eventually became King James II, was such a harsh ruler. You need to know who named Pennsylvania. You need to know who continued William Penn's legacy in Pennsylvania after his death in 1718. And you need to know the 2 things that the New England Confederation did concerning the governing of their own colonies and governing of the military that made up that confederation. If you know those questions to those, or answers to those questions, you'll do just fine. If you have any problems with some of these answers, either talk to a classmate or give me a quick text over the weekend. Again, this test will be Tuesday. If you're going to miss tomorrow, we're going to watch a video, kind of an enjoyable video on the history of America. No school Monday, and then we of course have the test on Tuesday. Be prepared. Thank you.